Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 mini drones in detail briefly. The best mini drone links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Do de Lef Mini Drones. Small-sized drone X20 is designed to be compact and portable without any overly large joysticks and built with smooth designs to slip right into your pockets or small travel bags. Mini size makes it the perfect indoor drone to easily maneuver around smaller spaces. One button press automatically taking off or landing. Remote control quadcopter will take off or go back to the position where it took off. The function will orient your drone according to your controller, making flying and control easier. A key 360 degrees roll and continuous roll allows players of any level to fly the drone easily with perfect control and wonderful performance. Advantages: small-sized drone X20 is designed. 360 degrees stunt flip. Mini and easy to carry. Strong material. Number 2. Holyton HT02 Golden Mini Drone. This golden mini drone is a great choice for those looking for a small, lightweight, and affordable drone. This drone is perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. The Holyton HT02 Golden Mini Drone features a 6-axis gyroscope for stability and easy flying, as well as a 2.4 GHz radio control system for precise control. The drone also includes a built-in HD camera for taking photos and videos, and a 3.7 volts 500 mAh battery for long flight times. The case of HT02 Golden is made out of non-toxic plastic material, and it comes with a pair of propeller guards which can perfectly decreases the impact of the collision and avoids body injury in the course of playing. Advantages: mini and easy to carry. Perfect gift. 3 speed modes. Easy to use. Number 3. LANSAND 2-Pack Mini Drones. This is a new defined mini drone, and a flying car, which is the newest and most innovative version in all mini drones in 2022. Equipped with 2-in-1 land mode and fly mode, the body of this drone is made from resistant PVC material which is used on racing car toy, so it can withstand an impact speed of 35 miles per hour. 3 speed mode, race car mode, 3D Philps, headless mode can bring a lot of fun to kids as well as adults. In the race car mode, this drone can move forward, turn left or turn right when running on the smooth ground. The 2.4 GHz remote enables 2 players to fly at the same time and have a race. Each batteries last 7 minutes and 4 batteries provide 28 minutes of playtime. Advantages: nice shape and LED light. Great gift for boys and girls. Durable, safety and easy.